Hi, I'm Dr. Scarlett Howard. I'm a postdoctoral research fellow at the University of Toulouse. I'm a scientist working on the cognitive abilities of honeybees. I have been specialising for the past 4 years on the ability of bees to learn numbers and use number to solve problem, learn complex numerical concepts and that sort of thing. So I've been able to show that honeybees can add and subtract and they can value numbers along a number line. To train bees to add and subtract, we train them to fly into a Y-shaped apparatus. When they flew in, they first saw a number. It could have been 3 dots, for example. Then, if those dots were blue, the bee learned to add. If they were yellow, the bee learned to subtract by 1 each time. So when the bee flew in, if she saw 3 blue dots, she'd then fly into another chamber where she'd see 2 options. And if that was 1 more, then the number she'd seen before. So if we saw 3 and it was blue, she should go to 4. If she saw 3 and it was yellow, she should go to 2. And so over the course of 100 learning events, the bee got a reward of sugar water for choosing correctly, and she tasted a bitter substance when she chose incorrectly. As she came back from the hive over and over again, she slowly learnt addition and subtraction over 100 trials. The honeybee has a brain which has less than 1 million neurons compared to our brains, which have about 100 billion. And so being able to look at the brain, which is a relatively small and simple brain, gives us a lot of insight into things such as how to build better artificial intelligence, how to make computer processing more powerful, and it can even tell us a lot about our own evolution and the ability of our own brains. Studying the numerical abilities of bees does tell us a lot about human mathematical ability today. And that's because while we share a common ancestor over 600 million years ago with bees, seeing that both humans and bees have similar levels of numerical ability and can do similar tasks, while we're a lot more sophisticated than the bees in our abilities, it means that we probably have a common ancestor 600 million years ago that had these numerical processing skills. And I find that really interesting.